Okay, I'm here in our first person template. We have our cooktop here. When I press E on my keyboard, a beep sound goes off and we see one of the burners will randomly light up. I press E again, it will sound the beep again and turn it off. So it is random, so as long as I keep pressing E, it will be always turning on, choosing one of the burners randomly. Press E again, turns off. Okay, let's see what we have here. So we have our cooktop folder. We have the materials folder with just this simple material with this emission map as a parameter and also this intensity parameter. Okay, we have our mesh, the beep sound, and our textures. Okay, so let's have a look on our blueprint. Okay, we have here basically two events. One event we'll call this function, randomly choose one of these emission textures that will make this cooktop look like it's slowly turning on by this timeline setting up the intensity. Okay, the same thing is gonna happen when you trigger this event. You give the sensation of the cooktop turning off by this timeline. Okay, so here I set up on E key, but feel free to change to whatever you want as long as you call these events. All right, so I set here to sound the beep and then choose one of these events to go off depending on your boolean situation here. Okay, so that's basically it. I hope you can make good use of it. Enjoy your asset. See you.